Hi guys! In this section you will learn the most common wiring and we will focus on wiring a bunch of light bulbs with switches. You may wonder, you might want to ask me, why do we focus on lighting? Yeah, my simple answer is because if you stare around you in your home, you will realize that the electrical in your home is based on lights, switches and power sockets. Okay, great, no need to waste time, let's get started in the first exercise, which is wiring one light bulb to one gang switch. The objective is to turn on one light bulb using a one gang switch. So when I switch on this button, the light must be on. And of course, if I switch it off, the light must be off. So simple, so clear. Yeah, one more thing. This switch is called one gang because it has only one button. If it has two buttons, it is called two gang. Three buttons, three gang, and so on. Required materials are light bulb with holder, one gang switch, wires 1.5 milli, live, neutral and earth, connector plug to connect to the main supply, cutter and tester. And remember that earth wire is not necessary for energizing, hence it's used for safety, so we can ignore it right now without any problem. Procedures. Number 1. Connect the phase wire or live wire to the holder and to the L terminal in the switch. Be sure to tighten the screw very well in the two sides, here and here. By the way, the back side for the one gang switch looks like this. There are two terminals, L or L1 and COM. Definitely when you switch on here, the two terminals will be contacted. Yeah, let's continue. Now connect the black wire or the neutral wire from the light bulb holder directly to the main supply. Finally, connect the phase wire or live wire from the COM terminal to the main supply as shown. Now, when you press the switch button, the light will be on, and for sure you can turn it off from the same switch. Notes to be considered. Number 1. Please read the safety first comments before starting in wiring. Number 2. I didn't use the green wire in the exercise because the holder has only two terminals. So I used one for the phase wire and the other for the neutral wire. Number 3. Always start wiring by phase wires, then go to neutral. Finally, connect the phase wire to the main supply from the COM terminal. Okay, please follow this strategy, follow this procedure. Number 4. Light bulb works on single phase since we used two wires, live and neutral. Number 5. Always connect the COM terminal to the main supply and keep it as a last step. Okay, is it clear? Number 6. In lighting wiring, the neutral goes to the main supply directly. Number 7. COM refers to common, which means common with the main supply. Okay, that's it. This is everything for this exercise. I will see you in the next exercise. Good luck.